I want to become an air hostess.
Already secured a coveted position.
Feels incredible.
Rewind the bit. Hello and welcome to Finesse Talks podcast, where we bring inspiring stories from the world of hospitality and wellness to you. And today we are shining the light on one of our most exceptional students who has recently achieved a milestone that is commendable. Joining us today is Mehak, who has completed her diploma in September and has already secured a coveted position in Shank Air as a cabin crew. Her journey from classroom to career is a testament to her hard work and determination. Mehak, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's a pleasure to be here.
We are so proud of you. First of all, congratulations on your selection. And how does it feel to actually achieve this milestone just a few months after you completed your course?
It feels incredible. Honestly, I'm still pinching myself. Joining the aviation industry has been my dream, and selected by Shank Air is a huge honor. So I'm very grateful for the opportunity and the training I got from the Finance Institute.
That's wonderful to hear. Let's rewind a bit. What actually motivated you to join the Finesse Institute of Hospitality and Wellness and join our diploma course?
Well, I have been always fascinated by the aviation industry, and I want to join aviation industry because I want to become an air hostess or a cabin crew to travel the world to meet different people and explore the world and enjoy my life in a very vast way.
Well, the charm of aviation industry never dies. Then that's exactly what we strive to bring to you at Finesse Institute of Hospitality and Wellness. Now, could you share some highlights from your time with us? How was your learning experience and what stood out to you the most?
Definitely one of the biggest highlight part of the core training was the mock interviews in which ma'am has trained us how to be confident, how to vocal up and speak in a very well way to show that how much you are confident and you are capable of being a cabin crew. So it was a very biggest highlight of our journey.
And those mock interviews certainly paid off. Now, can you tell us a little about your selection process and your experience at Shankar?
The process was intense but exciting. And in the first round, it was a vital round in which they checked my height and weight. And after I have cleared the first round, then I was going for the second round, which was a personal interview. And they called 10 girls, out of which I think 5 or 6 girls were selected. And I was also there. And but in that meantime, when they told us to be wait for some time, I was little bit scared that if I got rejected, what will happen. But then I got selected for the further rounds. Then the last round was the GD round, group discussion, in which there were I think 15 girls sitting in a room, and there were three HRs who given us the topic to talk about. And in 10 minutes we have discussed about the topic, and after that they again told us to wait for some time. And when they told me that you are selected, Mehak is selected for the Shank Air as a cabin crew, I was not getting it because I was like, it is a reality or like a dream. So then I called my father, my mother. Then I shared with them that I got selected. They were happy. I was totally happy and like, okay, now I'm going further to complete my dream.
It is all thanks to your hard work and your determination that you were able to clear the rounds and finalize your selection. Your training with Shankar actually begins next month. So, what are you the most excited about so far? Like, what are your expectations while you're going into the training experience?
I'm eager to learn the opportunity and safety aspects as it is important to learn the safety procedures for passengers, and it is going to be a very new and different world for me. Now I am going to travel the whole world and meeting the different kinds of people from diverse backgrounds and cultures.
As a cabin crew, you're not only responsible for your own safety, but the responsibility and safety of your passengers as well. And your journey and your expectations certainly sounds interesting. And I have no doubt that you will excel. Now, before we wrap up, do you have any advice for any aspiring cabin crew that wants to enter the aviation industry?
Absolutely, believe in yourself and stay committed to your goals and achieve your goals by showing your confidence and be bold and choose a platform where your mentors can teach you how to be a very good person and how to be a very capable cabin crew.
Wise words indeed, Mehak. And thank you so much for sharing your journey with us. And your story is actually really inspiring, and your hard work has certainly paid off. On behalf of everyone at Finnish Institute of Hospitality and Wellness, we wish you all the best with your new journey with Shank Airlines.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm grateful to Finance Institute for shaping my career and giving me this opportunity to build my career as a cabin crew and achieve my dream and ensuring my career. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning into Finnish Talks podcast and stay connected with us for more inspiring stories of our students and to stay updated with the hospitality and wellness industry. And until next time, soar beyond the horizons.